Welcome back to another episode of the HackTheMatric. Today, we're diving deep about the clickjacking. Strap in because we're going to cover everything from the basics to advanced exploitation techniques on the HackTheMatric. So let's start. So, what exactly is clickjacking? Essentially, it's a malicious technique used by attackers to trick users into clicking on something different from what they perceive. This could lead to unintended actions like installing malware or disclosing confidential information. At its core, clickjacking involves overlaying invisible elements on a website or application, making users unknowingly interact with them. Think of it as a digital illusion. What you see isn't always what you get. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do attackers exploit clickjacking? Well, it starts with crafting a deceptive web page or injecting malicious code into legitimate ones. By strategically placing transparent layers over clickable elements, attackers can make users unknowingly perform actions they didn't intend to. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about advanced exploitation techniques. One method involves using iframes to embed a target website within another innocuous-looking page. This creates a seamless experience for users who won't suspect that their clicks are being hijacked to interact with the hidden elements of the embedded website. Now, you might be wondering, how can I protect myself from clickjacking attacks? Fear not, because knowledge is power. Here are a few tips. First, keep your software and browsers updated to patch any vulnerabilities. Second, be cautious of suspicious links or websites, especially those with multiple iframes. And finally, consider using browser extensions or plugins that detect and block clickjacking attempts. Also use CSP content security policy. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is key to staying safe online. With that said, I hope you found this deep dive into clickjacking both enlightening and empowering. That's a wrap for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cybersecurity and hacking tips. Until next time, stay curious and stay secure. Peace out.